15th of June 2023 afternoon. I am near the JKR office of Kasigui, Penampang district, JKR district office, I think, district branch office. And the two rain tree that has been, I don't know, growing for so long, we don't know who planted it, the British maybe, has now been chopped to make way for expansion of the highway here. I think Dongkongon to, I believe the expansion of the road to dual highway only reached to Kivatu, maybe because there's a massive traffic jam here. Anyway, the tree has to go. Too bad. There's no choice. A lot of people saying, we want a road, get rid of the tree. Fair enough. Get rid of the tree, get rid of beautiful rain tree. Fair enough. But you can put gongs on street light. I don't know how useful that is to the people of Penampang. You people tell me, huh? Is that really useful? I don't know. Cost thousands of dollars. Anyway, with Raintrees, and we all know the rules of international code, you can chop a tree if you like for the sake of development. But where is your replacement? I remember in the front page of Daily Express, you said, yeah, we will replant some trees somewhere to replace it. Because that's what Mahathir agreed to the international community in the Rio summit. Okay, guys? Well, here's a close-up of the rain tree. The rain tree occupies a lot of space, of course. The root goes everywhere. Yeah, and the chainsaw is there making a hell of a noise. Yeah. In fact, if this tree is near my house, I will collect all this wood. They make good, even I'll collect all this if it's near my house. They make good baja if I turn it into mulch, you know, all the leaves. And it takes probably nearly 100, maybe about 60 years for this to grow to this size. Okay. And you can hear the other guy chopping the other. There's two of them here. Yeah, let me see. Yeah. Chopping the other. It's too close to the road anyway. It's a danger to the traffic if you have this too close to the road. Yeah, right. Okay. Why? I cannot focus on it. Yeah, why is that? Why? I didn't put autofocus car. Yeah, it's autofocus. Okay. Now I can focus on them. Good guys. It's too close to the road. He has to go. Because when you have a tree too close to the road, if some car just knock it at 30 or 40 kilometers per hour, you die anyway. So you're gonna expand this road here, maybe even move the pipe. Water pipe will also gonna move. Fair enough. But as I said, government, you promised to plant some more trees. Where? Near the river bank? Where are all the open spaces? You only plant this stupid tree for replacement, ka? That's useless. So I'm making this documentary. The size of this tree will take nearly 100 years to grow. You know? Tiada sogit juga kalau kamu buat, kan? Mana ada sogit when you cut the tree? Itu siga, kamu ada sogit satu bogok. But poor tree, there's somebody living in the tree. Kau tidak sogit kah? I bet the guys listening to me now. The spirit of the tree is fuming mad. Kamu tidak sogit. Yeah. Very noisy traffic. Very noisy chainsaw. Good for you guys, but you should have sogged this tree and go and plant some. 2 for each tree, you know. Minimum of 2 trees you need to plant. 2 young trees. And somebody asked me, do they have bibit for this rain tree? You should ask Agriculture and Forestry Department for that, mate. What are they for? I think the expertise of Agriculture Department and the forestry should enable you to find another bibbit to replace this tree. Okay? Go and plant next to the Moyog River so that it doesn't get flooded. Don't ask a student to do the dirty job for you. Right? Goodbye, Raintree. Just watch out. The owner of this tree is going to be very, very angry. Right, folks? Did you hear me?